Hey guys, this is Nick with Fidget Addictions, and I kind of want to go over what a spinner is and what fidget cubes are designed for. They're designed for people with ADHD and people with a learning disorder who have a hard time staying focused. And they are designed so that you're able to spin this and focus in on what you're trying to accomplish or get done. With people who have ADHD and learning disorders, they know that they have a hard time staying focused. And with this spinner, it allows them to spin freely and focus in on either their schoolwork, their homework, their whatever they're trying to do. I take my spinner around almost everywhere. It fits in my pocket. It's really convenient. If I'm in line, guess what? I have my spinner because I'm antsy. I want to keep going. So with the spinner, it's really allowed me to kind of just release that little, anxiety feeling that I think a lot of people have, and they that need kind of something to help with that. Well, if you guys need some help, go check out fidgetaddictions.com, and you can come check out my spinners. They're $10 a piece. I sell these for 15. No, I sell these for 25 or 15. The fidget cubes are 10. I have these new little spinners coming out. They're little babies. They're tiny compared to these guys. Here's a little comparison. But these are really nice too. They're super duper light, and they make this really nice little jingles. I really like this copper one. It's a really nice spinner. It's got some weight to it. You can take them apart and go through them all. They're really balanced, really well. If you want to try to do some tricks, we call this the tank. It's the one. These little fidget cubes, they're pretty cool. They have a couple different things. They have a button, a ball, and these things are just kind of fun to play with. They just kind of something fun to do. The little joysticks, like really, that's what my favorite part of it is, the little joystick. But I'm sure everybody's got their own opinion. So check them out. Check me out. Try them and let me know how it goes, guys. Send me some reviews and like me, share me. I love the love, and I hope you guys have a great night.